What is up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing something a little different, not really a car mod, more of a challenge, but it's gonna be quite a good time. So as you can tell, I've got some gear on me, the camera, the backpack, and tonight we're gonna be sleeping in this Prelude. We're doing the overnight challenge in here. It's gonna be fun because it's a coupe, obviously, so not a lot of room for activities in there, but we're gonna make the best of it, bro. If we can make it at least like 6 hours in this thing, we're kind of getting a late start. It's like 12-ish. No, not that late, but it's like 11. You think we can make it?
Yeah, I think we're gonna be good. It might get a little chilly, so we got blankets, pillows, and slippers. But dude, we're playing. We got a few things. We got a few tricks up our sleeves, so we're gonna take you along for the drive, and yeah, I think you guys will enjoy it.
Hell yeah, bro, let's get it. I'm excited for this. I think this would be the first technical challenge on the channel, so this is the first time I've ever done anything like this, but I've wanted to for a while, and I don't know, the opportunity presented itself. We're gonna do it tonight in the second gen Prelude, which is just so funny. I would have guessed that we would have been doing it in like the F30 or something, but we're doing it in the Honda Prelude. Gotta also grab some stuff out of the F30, some essentials. I do want to bring the gimbal. I'll come back for that. Oh yeah, I cleaned the crap out of my Adidas and actually repainted the midsoles. You can tell how bad they were before, but look at that. Brand new shoes. I'm wearing slippers right now, so I think I'm gonna have to grab those. I'm gonna grab a blanket. I got a little pillow for a startup. Here we go. Yup. Dave's tips are hilarious. Sounds good though. Not so much the squeal coming from the front. Oh, so bad. The last time I'll touch the ground for at least another 6 hours. So the time is now 10:56. I think we're gonna hopefully wake up, or yeah, I guess wake up, depends what our sleep schedule, how that goes, but get up for sunrise and get to a 6 spot, and then we want to get out of the car and go enjoy that spot. So if we can make it to sunrise in this thing, I'll be psyched, dude. I'll be so psyched if we make it.
Oh yeah, I think there's a good chance we'll make it. It's a good chance we won't.
I think we got some good stuff coming up, so stay tuned. Right now, we're gonna go over to Fox's house. He doesn't live too far. We're gonna try and see if he just wants to chill for a bit. I'm not sure if he's gonna get in here or hang out next to the car or what, but I think we're gonna make him get us some food at some point because I'm already hungry. I should have thought about that, but like, I'm already starving.
Yeah, I already had a few things to eat, but you know, we're doing the overnight challenge, so we're gonna have to get some food.
At some point, guys, I think the goal is, at least for me, is I wanna stay up like as much as possible. If this ends up being an all-nighter, it. But I've just also urinated for the last time that I can outside of this car, so I'm hoping that I don't break the seal soon, because we don't really have a plan of action for that at the moment, but it's gonna be funny, guys. I cannot wait. This is gonna be hilarious. It's been, what?
Literally,
8 minutes?
not even,
7
dude.
minutes?
It's been about freaking 3 minutes, and I just realized that I left my wallet at home, so kind of need that if I'm gonna buy anything, or
well, you're driving.
if I'm driving, yeah, I need
your driver's license.
So I'm gonna give my mom a call now, and hopefully,
dude,
she's still up and she can come bring it out for us.
Now we're in the car. We can't leave. Like, we've started the challenge. I don't want to be like that, do it off camera. Like, we're doing this challenge.
Oh, hey mom. I left my wallet. Is there any chance you might be able to bring it out to me?
I'll see if Dad can do it.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
I'll see.
Some M&Ms?
Mom is a saint.
Oh, thanks, Mom.
Oh my God.
We got the wallet and some peanut M&Ms. Let's go.
Success.
And the squeaks back.
And the squeaks back. Just got to Fox's. There's just Beamers everywhere. His dad's M4. Fox's 335, which has just been chilling for a bit, man. Fox, you gotta get back on that grind. And then his M3 over here. I think homeboy is either making us food or we're gonna take him to come get us food. Oh.
Yo, what's up?
Yo, sick hoodie, bro.
Dude, thanks.
Ill hoodie. What's up, dude?
You guys are really doing this?
Dude,
We're really doing it.
We got
really
pillows, water, drinks. Bro, we even brought our chopsticks.
Oh my God.
We're ready for this ramen, man.
Yeah, we came prepared. Just to make this interesting, not that I plan on getting out, Dave might wimp out and get out. I don't know. We'll
I ain't
see.
getting out, bro. No.
We'll see. Since we plan to go out to this place called the Noble Lighthouse for sunrise, spoiler alert, I'm thinking since we'll be by the ocean, the loser, if you do get out of the car at any point, has to run into the ocean in the morning.
Bruh.
Eh?
Do it.
Stakes are high, bro.
Alright, but
Stakes
there's
are
no shoving
high.
match here,
Messed
right?
up because you know David's gonna lose.
Dude, I don't know anything, man.
I don't think I'm gonna lose, man. Although, Maybe I'll just go into the ocean for the hell of it.
You should.
All right, that's content too. Man, this is gonna be a crazy night. Like, just this tiny prelude, dude.
Sriracha and everything. Bro, chives and everything. Man, your dad hooked it up.
Wait, dude, I don't want to spill this.
It's
Oh
so
my
warm.
gosh.
Yo,
No way.
Sriracha, bro.
This is the fattest bowl of ramen I was never expecting. Get in there, bro. Get in there.
Oh, you want me to take some?
Yeah, take a bite. Don't disrespect him like that.
You need some sriracha for that, bro?
Oh, hit me with it.
I got you.
You're salt and repair right now.
Get it up, son.
The light's in the way.
All right, let me
know. Yep. I like it spicy, bro. Cheers. Yo, this is wicked good ramen. Left it nice and al dente. Dude, there's chicken in there.
It's like real chicken. Real chicken, better chicken.
Dude, does it get more JDM than eating ramen from your homeboy with chopsticks in a 1986 Honda Prelude? Yeah, and
he's Asian,
and the
man.
homeboy's Asian. This is next level. Young
Holy
Dong
shit.
couldn't even serve it up this nice,
No,
dude.
Young Dong had nothing on this.
No way. Ooh, dude, the chives, the sriracha, the chicken.
I know.
I really want to enjoy this ramen, so I'm gonna shut you guys off because this light is blinding me. Oh my gosh, that was healing to my mind, body, and my soul. Dude, what do you think?
Dude, this food come with me out, man. It's so good.
Bro.
Ramen was next level.
That was insane. Eating homemade ramen in a 1986 Honda Prelude at midnight in my homeboy's driveway is just possibly the
That he
best thing
made.
that's ever happened. Yeah, that he made, dude. Now we're trying to convince Fox to join us on this overnight mission. Get him in the back seat, get three people in the Prelude all at once, dude. It's gonna be epic. We'll see. Way.
Yeah.
No way. Yo, you're coming? You're coming with? Let's go! We gotta make room for a third man in here. We got a lot of stuff in the back seat. So before Fox gets in and officially starts this challenge, we're gonna sacrifice some things that we don't necessarily need and have him put them in the trunk. And then, yeah, we'll just go on with the night and see where it takes us.
New recruit.
You're now joining it. You gotta pee before you get in?
No, yeah, I already went.
All right, let's go. He's in.
Yo, he's in, man.
Yeah, you got the slippers too?
Maybe put one foot up.
Yeah, then stick your legs over there.
Alright.
That's the move. Oh, it's tight quarters in here. Yo, what's up, bro?
What's up, Dave Dog?
Yo. What's
Yo.
up, man?
All right, boys, we're on the move.
We determined our next game plan, and that is we're obviously going to have to go to 24-hour McDonald's, get ourselves some Oreo McFlurries.
Yeah, say that one more time. I mashed your mirror.
Oreo McFlurries, McDonald's, 24 hours, that's where we're going.
What happened to the good old days when they had like 18 McFlurry options? Now it's like just Oreo. All right.
Do you guys just have the Oreo McFlurries? Do you have M&M too?
We have M&M as well.
Okay.
M&M's fine.
Can we do 3 M&M McFlurries, please?
Yeah, let's go.
Thanks. Alrighty, guys. You look far off into the distance. That is the trash can. We're gonna throw away the McFlurries in. But there's a big curb there, so you feeling like you got some long arms, man?
Do you remember that scene in Space Jam where Michael Jordan like extends his arm?
Yo, I love that movie. All right, man.
Let's do it. I think
right.
I got this.
Okay.
All right, we got this. Whoa. Next.
Oh,
I got trash stuff on me. Dude. Alright, the time is now just turned 2 in the morning. I'm already so tired.
Yo, how you doing back there, Foxy boy?
I'm tired.
I should have eaten all that ramen. I am wiped right now. I think we're just gonna toss on a movie. Maybe like, I'm gonna fall asleep. I already know I'm gonna fall asleep.
Yeah, I'll probably fall asleep and then grab some shut-eye and set an alarm for sunrise, yeah.
Bro, it's gonna be sick though. Totally worth the sunrise. So yeah, maybe time lapse. Maybe I'll just catch up with you guys after we're done snoozing for a bit.
This is how I have to...
Dude.
Bro.
What in the hell, bro? I cannot get
You
comfy.
don't have a filler or nothing?
Oh, I can't get comfy for
This
the life
life
of
is
me.
like
It's 3:33 in the morning.
God, last time I checked, it was like 3:50.
Bro, it's 3:33. Oh, I'm so tired. I can't get comfy, man. This Prelude is too small. The time is now 4:30 in the morning, and
4:40.
dude, rough estimate, bro. Didn't get any sleep. Got like 15 minutes of sleep, and we just crushed a movie, Hot Rod. If you guys have seen it, it's absolutely hilarious.
Oh, Karen.
Karen.
Oh, Kathy.
Right, so now we're gonna go to Aroma Joe's, get some much needed coffee, and then we're gonna make our way up north to the Nubble Lighthouse, catch a nice sunrise, but we're gonna take the coastal road all the way up, so you probably won't be able to see anything because it'll be dark, hopefully.
I don't know. I feel like if it might start to get orange on like the
horizon,
which could be cool.
That'd be
that
pretty
could be cool.
Yeah.
I'll make sure I get you guys some fire.
But this is hilarious, yo. If you didn't know what the inside of a Prelude looks like, you'd think it's just like a massive couch in here. We got like 3 homies just like chilling. Look, all the seats out, it's just a tub.
You can't even tell that it's a car right now, dude. You can't see any seats.
Although,
No
yo, I had one hell of a situation on my side. I was just chilling with these foot pedals down here the whole time. There's not really anywhere to put your feet. Having the wheel right here, if I like tried to like angle the wrong way, like my knees are hitting it.
So it was not that comfortable. Couldn't really fall asleep, but that's okay. I feel more energized than I should right now. So we're just gonna keep it rolling, keep the vlog rolling, keep this video going. Overnight challenge is continuing. Prelude tings. Every time. Oh, no more surge? Yeah! Hey! Here we go, Prelude. Getting coffee is so needed. Yeah, bro. This is like the second to last part of this trip. So after we go here, we're going up to the Nubble, catching the sunrise. It's gonna be sick. Stay tuned. Boys and girls, the time has come, and the time is now 6:23. We've been in the Prelude for over 6 hours. Didn't really catch much sleep, but we are officially at the beach. We made it. The Nubble is right behind us, but I think we're done with this Prelude right now. I think we can get out. Like, did we do what we came here to do?
Dude, we did the overnight challenge, I think, to a good extent. So yeah, we're gonna throw in the old field zapatos and get out there and start taking some pictures.
Hell yeah, the sun's just coming up. We're catching it right on time. So yeah, let's just get out. Let's get out of this Prelude right now. Ugh. Oh my gosh, the first step out. Oh, dude, my legs. Oh my God, yes, dude, look at this. Just look at the Prelude right now. Look how beautiful it looks. Look at that, man. Oh, this Prelude looks so good right now. So yeah, guys, this was definitely a fun little adventure to do. The challenge was sick. I thought it would be in the F30 for the first time, not in the Prelude, but it was a good time. Prelude was fun, and just look at this. Oh, so great. But guys, couple announcements. One, I did a poll on my Instagram. Basically, I'm gonna be dipping my wheels for the winter setup a different color, and I let the Instagram peoples throw me some color suggestions. I took the most common suggestions. I threw them up on a poll on my YouTube channel, and you guys get to pick what color wheels I'm gonna be rocking for the winter time. So stay tuned for that video. Secondly, I think it'd be really fun to do like a follow-up to this video where we do like a full 24-hour challenge in the Prelude, the F30. You guys can tell me which one you want it to be. If this video gets 100 likes, we will do the 24-hour challenge, guys. So go down, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. I think right now I'm gonna sign off. I'm gonna go ahead and get some like time-lapse pictures, some cinematics of the Prelude, and just this amazing location, guys. So thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Keep elevating. I'll see you next time. Peace out.